So there's been a lot of noise on the internet about people talking about they're not going to pay their rent. You must have lost your mind. Now, if you got the money, pay the rent. Now, that's another thing if you're one of the people who may have lost your job or you got laid off due to the COVID-19 or something like that. I can understand that. But for those of you talking about just boycotting for no reason, just because I want to boycott and try to play the game and try to ride the wave, play the game if you want to. Have that thing on your credit report, you won't be able to rent anywhere when this thing's all done. Because I'm going to definitely try to ding your credit if you one of my tenants. Let me catch you not paying your rent. Let me catch you. Pay your dang on rent if you got it. Now, if you don't got it, just contact your landlord. Let them know that, hey, yeah, I got a situation going on. We're laid off right now. Can you work with me? Things like that. And I understand, and I know that most people will understand what's really going on. So just do that. Be a good tenant. Be a good person in life. So follow me on all social media outlets at ChrisMonroeSTL. Do what you do. Be who you be. And I'll see you before you see me.